Hello, children. I am an owl, and today I will tell you about lists in computer science. Lists are very important because they help us organize different things on the computer. We can store numbers, words, or other data in them. Lists make our work easier because they allow us to quickly find everything we are looking for. You will learn more shortly. By the pond, the puppy and the guinea pig were sitting on the grass. The puppy started to say that he waited this morning by the entrance to the burrow because he thought someone would come with a list of things to do. The guinea pig thought it might be a list like the one her mom attaches with a magnet to a stone at the entrance, with things to bring from the market: carrots, beets, lettuce. When I heard this, I explained to them that in computer science, lists are a set of data that are organized, for example, from beginning to end. Thanks to them, you can quickly find something that is, for example, first or last. At the playground, the frog and the rat were talking about how they use lists. The frog said that when she designs an application, she uses a list to organize game icons and easily find them. The rat added that, as an analyst, he uses lists to arrange the results of various studies and quickly notice which data is the most important. I told them that these are great examples because lists help remember information and use it faster on the computer. On the flower meadow, the parakeet and the bee were chatting happily. I decided to check their knowledge and asked them what they know about lists. The parakeet said that lists in computer science help her write down the questions that her clients most often ask, allowing her to quickly respond to them while working as an information technology support technician. The bee explained that for her, as a project manager, lists are a way to organize tasks that need to be done in order so that the project is well organized and all tasks are completed on time. I praised them for their good answers. Lists help organize data and perform tasks in the right order. Let's summarize what we learned today, children. Lists in computer science are a set of elements written one after another. Thanks to them, we can quickly find the information we need, arrange data in order more easily, and better organize our work. I hope you now understand well what lists are and how useful they are. See you next time.